Hey there, this is Tina with Content Creators Club. I'm so excited to walk through today's video to really talk about making money as a creator when you don't have anything to sell. Because I feel like there are a lot of people in this position, or you're in the position where you have a huge audience, but you just don't know how to freaking like monetize it. And you're like, okay, I have a big audience. What do I do next? This is the video for you. But before we go ahead and dive into today's video, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and click the link or the freebie below this video. If you're watching this from my newsletter, definitely feel free to grab the offer below this video as well. So let's kind of go ahead and get into the topic. So excuse me. I had this question in mind 4 years ago when I was thinking to myself, like, okay, Tina, like, how can we make money online even though we don't have anything to sell online? And the thing is you're probably in a position where you know you want to serve people, but you don't know what to actually sell to them. And it kind of sucks, right? Because you're like, I've built this audience, but like, what the hell do I do next, right? And so, fresh off of closing my coaching business 4 years ago, I knew I still had a mission to serve, but again, I still didn't have that offer to sell. And so I also knew that I wanted to make money online that was free of my time, energy, and effort. And so I did what every guru told me to do. I thought that I took the traditional advice, build the audience online, and then eventually the money will come. And if you're probably in that position, you probably have an audience, but you don't have an offer and you're still not making money. And this is why I'm a big believer in not being a famous but broke creator. And so I would wait for a long time. I would like say like, okay, like I have this audience, like when is the money going to come, right? I would wait until tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, and then eventually it never happened, right? And so it's important to recognize that as a creator, it's just as important for you to take matters into your own hands, right? And a thought popped into my head where I was like, well, maybe could I sell another person's offer and make money off of that? And the interesting thing was at the time, I didn't actually know that that was actually called affiliate marketing. But as time grew on and I learned and I tested and I experimented with different strategies, I kind of realized I became really good at affiliate marketing. And so, just a little bit of context on how good I am for affiliate marketing. I was able to sell like high ticket courses, like we're talking about $3,000 plus courses, and make over $1,000 in commissions, $1,000 plus commission in one transaction, even though I had a tiny audience of less than 700 followers. I was able to monetize a YouTube channel even though I didn't have the audience or watch time requirements because I leveraged affiliate marketing. And I was able and still am able to generate affiliate commissions off of content that I created years ago. Now, if you need context on what that looks like, you can see these PayPal payments. They're legit, they're real. They come consistently on the first day of every month. I love the first day of the month because that means it's payday. And who doesn't love payday? Um, Anyways, and so while I've gotten really good at affiliate marketing, it's not because I had a big audience, a huge ad spend, or tons of traffic. You tend to see that a lot with affiliate marketing where like you need to have all these big things in order for you to make money from affiliate marketing. And I don't necessarily think that's the case. It really comes down to creating genuine content that converts for year-round affiliate commissions. And the best part is that if you're still not sure what your offer is, but you still want to make money online, then leveraging affiliate marketing would be the next step for you. If you're in that path of like, I have an audience but I don't know what to do next, that's what's going to help you. And I also have an entire course walking through this process and how I'm able to actually generate year-on affiliate commissions from content that I've created last month, last year, and so on and so forth, right? And so also at the beginning of August, I told you that I'm going to be raising prices. So a price hike might come soon for your first $100 as an affiliate marketer. So I highly, highly, highly recommend for you to guarantee pricing, guarantee lifetime updates, and guarantee lifetime access while you still can. So definitely make sure to sign up and join the course because there are going to be some updates and upgrades and some things are going to be changing. So I'm super excited. So grab it while you can. Just letting you know. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.